Jon Strange here at SRI Performance. Today we want to talk about Halo brake fluid. Before we do that, I'd like to introduce you to the parent company of Halo. This company is called Orthene. They've been in business for about 47 years now. They make 65% of the brake fluid that's on the market today. They have about 300 different product lines, private labels that they make. And they also make the majority of the high-performance brake fluids that are on the market today, including AP, Brembo, Motul, StopTech, PFC, and a ton of others. So the question becomes, why Halo brake fluid? It's a good question to ask, and we got some good answers for you. One thing is that Halo only makes brake fluid, so their total focus is on brake fluid. And the technology that they bring to the table with the brake fluid is beyond anything else other brake fluid companies are able to perform. So stay tuned next time for more tech information on Halo brake fluid. And to find Halo brake fluid, reach out to us at sriperformance.com or call us at 704-662-6982. Thanks.